I hope the DIYs that are watching my channel and that have been watching my channel, I hope you're learning things. If there's any questions, ask me and I will endeavour to send a message back, send an answer. Nearly put my glue in the wrong bucket. See how my glue is not too sloppy? When I comb it, it sits up, but it's still not, it's nice, it sticks. As soon as my tile hits that glue, whooshka. See the beauty with clips too. You can dry lay a tile like what I'm going to do here. Like this, and it doesn't put you out or anything. You're able to, tomorrow, I can just pull that tile out and this one, cut my waste and pop it back down, and it all just clips together. If you haven't got something, it doesn't hold you up. But I have dry laid before clips, and you come back the next day and it's not super quite right. But with clips you can't go wrong. I wish I would have invented clips, but I was too busy working. Crazy, eh? I was too busy working to think of it. And they're a no-brainer. Why weren't they thought of before? I don't know. The tiles were, well, yeah, I do, because years ago the tiles were smaller and they had a rounded edge. It wasn't all cut porcelain. But then Marble has always been the same for years. They would have been handy years ago to lay marble. Some more tiles DIY. Pop them down there. So that'll work out all right by the time I get my tile on. I can have it just looking like a grout line like that. But what you must do here, people, is give your tile something to sit on. Another way I could do it too is, which I have done in the past, I'll see how I go, but I could like the washing machine and everything and a tub unit goes here. If it's slightly out of square, because this is an old house